The summer has got me down, you could fry a leg on the street. He waves a wiggling on the sidewalk, cops are dropping like flies on the beach. I love her to take me in, protect me from this humidity. From Brooklyn, Staten Island or Queens, I don't care. Not the kind of loving you're into, or how big your apartment might be. All you need is an air conditioner, and a good man for me. You can put me in a glass of berry, never my favorite round. You can love me down with alcohol. Do you know how? You can lay me in a tub of ice, stand me in a cold shower too. But if you don't have an air conditioner, then go home with you. We don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your ego might be. All you need is an air conditioner, and you were the man, you were the man, you were the man, you were the man, you were the man for me. Oh, make me an offer I can't refuse. Live by the Hudson River, and then the breeze blows through your door. Well, honey, you should have a daikin in the window. I don't wanna hear you anymore. But then live in a penthouse. You got a terrace with a view of the night. Well, that's where Barbershop must stay. One air conditioner as a much prettier sight. It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your apartment might be. All you need is an air conditioner, and you the man, you the man. It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your might be. All you need is an air conditioner, and you the man, oh, you're the man, oh, you're the man, yeah, yeah.